if you've made a payment on Xbox and need a refund. The process is straightforward. Follow these steps to request your refund successfully. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft account website and log in using the credentials associated with your Xbox account. This is essential to access your purchase history. Step 2. Navigate to the order history. Once logged in, locate the order history section. Here, you will find a list of all your recent purchases, including games, subscriptions, and other content. Step 3. Find the purchase. Scroll through your order history to find the transaction you want to refund. Click on the specific purchase to view more details about it. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as request a refund or report a problem. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request, providing any necessary details about why you are seeking a refund. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email from Microsoft. They will review your request and inform you of the outcome, which usually takes a few days. Once you've completed these steps, you should be on your way to receiving your refund. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.